Hello friends, welcome back. I'm Shyam Isaiah. I hope you're doing great. So in this video, we're going to talk about trend lines and how trend lines actually works. So I've seen the top traders all over the world use trend line tools. I've also seen traders make 1 crore in a trade using these trend line tools. So me as a trader, I also use the same trend lines in all my trades as one of my basis of confirmation. Hello friends, it's completely easy to trade trend lines and it's completely easy to draw trend lines, but one of the most important thing that comes into picture is that when you actually put into trade, when this trend line opportunity comes, you will not be able to take because of fear and lack of knowledge. So in this video, we're going to talk about that. So in this video, I'll teach the complete basics of how to trade trend lines and how trend lines actually works. So if you want a video on advanced trend line, please let me know in the comment section. I'll be glad to come up with the video for you guys. And please do hit the thumb guys or hit the like, bring up many videos like this. Actually, this will help me in algorithm. Hello friends, we're going to talk about trend lines, why trend lines are used by top traders in this world. What do you mean by trend lines? Why traders use trend lines to take trades? So trend lines is a type of trading where a trader buys at low and sell it higher. What do you mean by this? So it's nothing but, say for example, if price goes up like this, okay? Price goes up like this. Many people, what they do is they buy here, right? And then what does the price do? The price falls and it's their stop loss, and hence people are making loss, right? But whereas people who trade trend lines, they're gonna buy here and they're gonna sell it here. Understood, right? So now we're gonna use trend lines only when the market is in a trend. Okay, what do you mean by trend? When there is an uptrend and when there is a downtrend. So I'll just explain what do you mean by an uptrend. An uptrend is nothing but when the price is making higher highs. Okay, so higher highs and higher lows. So this is called higher highs. Okay, and this is called higher lows. Understood, right? So you see this high, is above this high, and you see this high is above this high, right? And now coming back to the low, you see this low is above this low, right? You see this low is below than this low, right? So this is called high lows. Now, how we are taking up trades based on trend lines? When we trade with the uptrend, we need at least 2 points. Okay. Say for example, if the price comes down and goes up, and if price comes up and goes up, okay, this is called the formation of higher highs. Now we have 2 points here, right? So the first point is here. Now the second point is here over this place. Now how we're gonna take up a trade? So the first thing is we're gonna take this tool as trend line. Now what we're gonna do? We're gonna join this 2 points, the first edge, the second edge, right? And then what we're going to do, we're going to wait for the third edge. Okay, the price will come like this, the price will come. Now when the price comes and touches the third trend line, then we're going to what, we're going to buy here and we're going to sell it higher. Understood, right? So this concept is called as buy low and sell here. What will most of the people will do? Beginners, they'll buy here and they'll sell it here, right? So it means they'll sell it at a loss. People will buy here, right? But we as a trader, what we're gonna do? We're gonna buy here. We're gonna buy at the lows. Simple. Okay, I'll give certain examples of trend lines. We'll go with ICICI Bank with the first example. So now you see, right? What does the ICICI Bank is doing? The ICICI Bank is in continuous uptrend, right? So how are we gonna take trades? Trading trend line. Okay. So now when the price, you see this, what do you mean by this? What is the price doing? The price is making higher highs, right? What are the prices doing? The price is making higher lows, right? You see this low is below than this low, right? It's higher. Every time the low is being made higher, right? So now how are we going to take trades based on this? So the first thing is I want two touches, right? I want 1 and 2. So you see one touch here and you see one more touch here and you see one more touch. So 1. So we're gonna wait for third touch. You see third touch, the price came here, right? And then what did the price do? Third time the price, what happened? The price went up. Understood, right? Say for example, if you have entered here, you can now sell it here or sell it here at this place, right? Or sell it at the red candle over this place. Simple. What you're doing, when you calculate the percentage, you have made at least 13-14% in just one trade. Okay. Another example in ICICI Bank. So what do you see here? You see some points here, right? You see this has a points. You see this one. What do you mean by this? High lows? High lows, right? Now what? How are we going to take trades based on high lows? This is one touch exactly. And this is another touch. And this is third touch. What are we going to do, we as a traders? We're going to take trades when there is a third touch and green color candle is happening here, right? So when the green color has been made, we're going to enter here, keep a stop loss below this, and we're going to take trades, okay? So how many days we have booked the profits? We just booked the profits. It's 19 days, 8.5%. Okay? And where is our stop loss? Our stop loss is below the candle. Okay? Understood, right? So next we'll go with another example. Okay, now HDFC Bank. So you see the price is in continuous formation of uptrend, right? And there is a certain consolidation over this place. So how are we going to take trades? So the stock is in uptrend. One thing we have identified, right? Making higher highs and higher lows. So you see a low here, right? You see this is a low. Okay, and you see one more low here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect one point and the second point. Okay, now when I connect this point and this point, I see one more touch over this place, right? At this place. So we as traders, what are we going to do? Wait for a green color candle over this place. And what we're going to do, we're going to enter here and keep our stop loss below this, below as support. Okay, and we're going to exit it here. Think about this. You're going to make, at least 3.5. Your risk to reward is, if you're risking 1 rupee, you're going to make at least 3.5 rupees per trade, right? So this is one of the example. We'll go with another example. So that is Bharti Airtel. So what do you see on Bharti Airtel? The Bharti Airtel is continuously in uptrend, right? So what does the stock is doing? The stock is in a continuous upper trend, right? Forming what? Forming higher highs and higher lows, right? So how can we now trade trend lines? Okay, see here, right? Okay, the first touch is here. The second touch is here. We as traders, what we're going to do? We're going to wait for the third touch, okay? So the third touch happened over this place. So we're going to enter in the green color candle. We're going to keep our stop loss below any support or below the candle. We're going to wait for the targets, okay? Simple. See the risk to reward. 1:5. Okay? Now, if I extend this trend line over this place, say for example, if I'm extending this trend line, what's happening here? You see there is a buying momentum here. If say for example, if you have entered here also, you could have made a good money and keeping your stop loss below the candle low. See this 1:3, right? And coming back to this one, a simple trend line. You see one trend line with so many supports. You see supports at the bottom. Yeah, say for example, if you have entered here at this place, think about this. Your stop loss is below the candle low. Think about this, how much you have made. 1:7, right? So this is all about the examples of trading trend lines with simple concept. I hope you guys understood this trading of trend lines. So if you want another video how to trade trend lines in advanced level, please let me know in the comment section, and please hit the like button and subscribe. I hope to bring that video soon. Thank you guys.